Haley has a 2-hour delay today, so we're having a slow morning. And I love it. Rosie's in her chair. We are making apple and pear crisp before Haley has to go to work. So.
We saved it.
So we made our own homemade lemonade from all the lemons. Well, not all of the lemons, but it's pretty good. We made it with lemons, obviously, and honey instead of sugar. And I like it. Came out pretty good. We just blended the lemons and the honey together. But vlog is rendering. It's 10 o'clock. I took the dessert out the oven. I'm gonna get changed. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then we have lots of stuff to do today. It's a little bit overwhelming. I just got done at the gym and showering and all that stuff. About to make a outfit video. But at first I need to like clean up a little bit. So I got offered a shift at my part-time job. And here's what I'm like trying to change this year. So I live in a mindset where I'm always telling myself, I need more money. I need more money. I'm, going broke. I need to do more. I need to get more money. Like, I feel like everyone in America has that mindset. And it's very toxic, I think. So I'm really trying to get out of this mindset. So, and here's also the thing that I'm going to be accepting a new job, a new position, really soon. And when people say when one door opens, close the other door. Like, don't be no half in, half out. Don't do that because it messes up with the opportunity for you to prevail in that new door. So, and I'm really thinking about like this whole new job thing. I'm just scared to let go of one job because what if this other one isn't good and I fail at it, then I won't have anything. And so that thought is just scaring and eating at me. But I need to realize that in order for me to live the way that I want to live, I need to start taking risks. I need to start living the way that I want to live, so that I can get in that mindset and so for it to actually manifest and happen. I'm not saying that I'm like taking days off. I'm not saying that I'm, like quitting my other job. I'm just saying that I used to feel guilty not taking other shifts because I was like, oh, well, this is just money being wasted. Like this is a money opportunity. I work $16 an hour. It does not pay rent for this apartment that I'm living in right now. I'm actually losing money. 16 more hours for like 4 hours is not gonna do anything for me. I want to become a YouTuber. I want to do this thing. I want to progress and prevail at this. And if I'm not working at it, I'm not doing it. And so today I've had a whole list. I gotta clean the entire apartment. It's very, dirty. It's gross. Like honestly, like this whole thing, I have a list of like the videos that I wanted to do today. I wanted a live stream to get out. So all this stuff is like, I'm battling myself every single time there's like a job opportunity, right? But today I am not taking the shift because I need to work on this channel. I need to work on like researching and finding out more about this stuff. I need to be doing what I want to do. Like, I'm tired of living by people's rules and like, oh, here, you want a little shift? Yeah, come get this shift. I know you don't have money. And if I keep taking those shifts, I'm going to keep, biting onto that thing that I'm just not going to progress at. There's no other moving up opportunities. It's just a dead-end 9-to-5 job. So in order for me to live the way that I want to live, to do what I want to do, I need to keep doing it. Right? So that means if people offer me shifts, I have to say no because I need to do what's best for me. And I think that doing my video stuff is what's best for me at this moment in time. I have enough money to get me through the next month. That's all I really need. And my job will be starting next month. So learning about this and figuring this out, it's really like, I'm really just trying to manifest it. I'm trying to build it. And this is how I'm doing it. And I'm bringing you guys along. It is a whopping 15 degrees outside. And today's high is going to be 19 degrees. And I plan to go outside and shoot a video. So this should be fun. I'm gonna put the crumble in a Tupperware and clean it. And I'm also gonna make some breakfast because I have not had breakfast at all. And it's 11:19, only running on coffee and lemonade. So with that being said, well, half cup of oats, a spoonful or two of organic vegan protein, creatine, honey, and then I have some frozen blueberries that I put on. If not, it's chocolate chips. Something to not taste like protein, all like protein. So that's basically what I make in the mornings every single day. While I eat my breakfast, I'm gonna be writing down lists of things to do today, which I already have it in my mind, but I like to do it on paper because then I get to check it off. So first thing I need to do is clean the apartment after I finish breakfast. And then after that, I need to make restaurant week shorts because my shorts seem to be popping off. So I'm gonna make some restaurant week shorts. And then I'm going to be doing a film outside. So I'm probably gonna try to go at the hottest point, which is probably like, I don't know, 2, maybe like a 12 video, like a quick this, that, and the other. I want to journal today at some point, and then I want to live stream as well. So basically my days are all ran by lists and things to do. So we have that stuff going for us. Really busy day. It's 11:33, so I need to get eaten. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I am posting my new video that's coming out that I filmed yesterday. Basically, I'm just gotta get, the description in, and I gotta get all the dates preset and make sure that none of the videos come out on the same day as each other, because I schedule my videos out, so I have a buffer time, a buffer period. So my plan is to do that right now, to schedule it, and then after I schedule it, we are gonna be good to go for our video that I'm gonna make. Hopefully, I gotta charge my batteries. All right, so while I'm waiting for my GoPro batteries to charge, I am going to be doing a little bit of journaling. I already got my camera set up and everything for when I'm going outside. So I'm gonna be journaling just a little bit, kind of reflecting on some things, catching up, because I don't do it every day, but when I do, I have like an intention behind it. All right, and so I'm all geared up for my photography trip. Now, just gotta go out and have some fun. All right, so the video is doing well. I'm going to the Ben Franklin Bridge to get a few more shots, but after that, I might just go back home. But I got a lot of good stuff today, so. street sign is not working, so I have to watch these cars. I've made it on the bridge. It's freezing up here. But yeah. Just drops off right there. That's Jersey. My GoPro batteries didn't last very long. Probably lasted about an hour on 2 of them. They were fully charged, at least I thought. Yeah, but it's GoPro, so their stuff never really works right. It's like, I always have issues with the GoPro, so I'm trying to switch to Insta360 slowly, so. Oh guys, check this out. I found a piece of nature. That's pretty rare, but it's kind of right next to the road. However, these are definitely some hammock trees right here. Okay, I'm gonna be so for real. It's a nice space to play. No, but like, for real though, like these are some good hammock trees. This is a good sledding hill, honestly. I just kind of did that number. But yeah, this is a good nature spot. Bro, well, I'm happy here. I'm happy. There's also a spot on the other side of it that's kind of like it too. Not as many trees, I don't think, but still good to know. Alright, so I'm a little like foggy because my lens is cold, but basically I would say that's a successful trip. Got a lot of cool pictures. Again, you don't have to have like an $1,000 film camera or a $3,000, you know, cinema camera to take good pictures. Literally, you just need a camera, and it could be a kit lens. This is a 50mm kit lens, and you can take some really good photos. Yeah, I got a lot of dead GoPro batteries, that's for sure, and I also have one dead camera battery. I just don't know which one is dead. But yeah. That checked off my list, so photography, video, check. I think now I'm gonna get my live stream stuff together and start the live stream. Alright, my setup is set up. Alright, so I'm about to go live. I'm about to go to Croatia today, so if you're interested in traveling or seeing my live streams, go check it out. It's gonna be a fun episode, and yeah, don't miss out. Don't miss out on all the fun stuff. I'm gonna put my camera down and go to watch. Live stream is done and off the list. Now I'm gonna do a restaurant shorts and download some other footage that I need to on my VHS tape.
To make it even tougher, I'm also up against time. I've got just 30 days.
Rosie is knocked. She's even got her little nature sounds playing. Oh, she's awake, I think. Oh, maybe not. Rosie's got a cute little bandana on, huh, Rose? Don't ya? She likes it. She hasn't been trying to get it off. Huh, Rose? She might poop in your stuff.
Is that what she's trying to do?
I don't know. Sometimes she does it to be comfortable, but sometimes she poops after she does that. It looks like we're ghost hunting. You love that kind of stuff. Ghost Adventures. This is us in our 20s. On a couch at 9 o'clock at night, not knowing what to do with our lives or where to go next, but also kind of tired at the same time. Haley, any thoughts, perspectives?
Lauren's bored.
You're not?
I like my life.
But just a little bit more adventure.
I would like to travel more, yes, but I can't afford it. There are retirements and stuff, so I can retire on a cruise ship with you and travel forever.
Yeah, but what if we don't even live that long?
Shut up.
Got her. And that is it for tonight's show. Thank you for tuning in.